Hello students, welcome to my channel Essential English with Ridvan. This is exercise number 5 of lesson 5 A1 level. In the previous lesson we have learned about present simple. So these exercises are related to this topic. Let's get started. This is exercise number 1, part 1. Write these verbs with S or ES. Let's repeat some grammar. You know, with I, we, you, they, we always use base form of the verb. Read, like, work. With he, she, it, we use base form of the verb read and plus s, like plus s, or maybe sometimes plus es after s, sh, ch, x, or maybe ei, ies, or maybe just add es. So let's get some practice. Write this read. If it's she, so we use read plus s. She reads. Think. If it's he, we use thinks. If it, we use it. Flies. Dance. With he, we use dances. She, have, we use has. With have, we always use has. Have. Has is also an irregular verb. Finish it, we use finishes es because it ends sh. You see here sh. So we have to add es. Complete the sentences about the people in the pictures. Use eat, go, live, play, and sleep. So you see here piano, play, and piano, the piano. What should I put here? I play the piano. No s, because with I, we, they, you, we always use base form of verb. I play the piano. The next one, they in a very big house. You see here, in a very big house. And what we should answer here? They live in a very big house. We can use here live. With they, we use base form of the verb live. They live in a very big house. The next one. You see a woman and lots of fruits. So here we see eat. We can use eat here. A lot of fruits. So she eats a lot of fruits. She. And with she we use always eat plus s. Eats a lot of fruit. Next one. You see tennis is my favorite sport. And here tennis. Maybe he plays tennis very often. So he play, if we use he, so we should put here play plus s. He plays tennis. Let's move on to the next sentence. We love films. You see, we are watching some films. So to the cinema a lot. And here, sleep, play, live, go, cinema, go. So we go to a cinema a lot because we're two people. So we go to a cinema a lot. And finally, the last one about sleep. You see, 7 hours at night, 7 hours a night sleeping. And you see here sleep, 7 hours a night. So he or she, for example, he sleeps 7 hours a night. He. If we should put here we, they, you, I sleep. With he, she, it, we should put here, have to put here s. He sleeps 7 hours a night. Okay. Let's move on to the next part, part 3. You see here, write sentences from these words. Use the right forms of the verb arrive or arrives. Okay. You see, always early you arrive. Let's start our sentence. You, the subject, always first. After that, we should put always adverb before the verb and after the subject. You always arrive, and you is she, so arrives early. The next one, to a cinema never I go. We should always use firstly subject I. The next one, never adverb. I never go. With I we use base form of verb. I never go to the cinema, the additional part of speech. Okay, the next one, work Martina hard always. Martina is a woman, so Martina always, it's adverb, always work hard. The next one, like chocolate children usually. What we should use here? What we have to use here? Firstly, children. Children is our subject, so children. And the next one, adverb. Children usually the main verb like, and the last one, the additional part speech, the noun chocolate. The next one, Rose parties enjoy always. Rose is a boy name, so it's a man. Rose, it's a subject. Rose. And the next one, what do you think? Of course, adverb. Always. And the next one, the verb enjoy. Enjoy. And the next, parties. Additional part of speech. So great. The next one, often people's name I forget. So what you should put here? Firstly, in the beginning, subject, of course, I. The next one, adverb. Okay, what's the adverb here? People's names, forget? No. Often, I, often. You see, here, 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 and here should we always have to put adverbs before the main verb and after the subject. So I often people's names or forget. Of course, after adverb we should use verb. So I often forget. I often forget what? People's name, the additional part of speech. People's name. So the seventh, TV Peter watch never. So the subject here, Peter, and the additional part of speech or adverb, never. Peter never, and verb watch, and the next one, what? TV, additional part of speech. And the next one, usually dinner we have at 7:30. It's a little bit tricky, but don't worry. Firstly, we should put what? Subject here, we. The next one, adverb, usually we, usually. And the next one, we should put the verb, the main verb, have. And with have you should use dinner, have dinner. And the additional part of speech, at 7:30. And the last one, Patricia always nice clothes wear. Patricia is a girl name, so Patricia always, adverb, wear, the main verb, and nice clothes. You see, it's not very difficult. Okay, good job guys, you put in a lot of practice today. Check out my other videos in order to repeat the other English rules or learn some new ones, what you don't know. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button if you didn't do that already, so you don't miss out on future content. Enjoy learning English, don't forget to like the video, thank you for watching, keep studying English, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!